Good afternoon, my Tupperware friends. How are you doing? It's Patty Dooley, and yes, I'm still with Tupperware. I know many people have contacted me and emailed me wanting to know, Patty, are you still doing Tupperware? And yes, I am still doing Tupperware. So I'm jumping on for just a few moments today to give you just a little bit of update on what's well, I can't tell you everything that's happened, but I can give a little update and then what I plan for 2022. Um, it's been about the last year and a half now. Might be a little bit longer. I had to deal with a family issue that was extremely important and that could not be put off. And then I had to deal with my own personal health. So life had to kind of get set to the side. My Tupperware world had to be set aside for a while until it was time for me to pick up again and just kind of like start over or continue whatever I'm doing. But I've just had things I've had to deal with, so that's why there haven't been updates. That's why there hasn't been videos. That's why I really haven't updated my business page. I do stay somewhat active on my group. We still cook on my group. I just haven't posted as much as I used to all the time. But I'm still active there. We still have conversations. We still get updates. We still cook. We still do all that stuff. Just not as frequent as I was. So starting in 2022, I'm going to start doing videos again to put up here on YouTube. They probably won't start out at every week, so I may do like every other week or so until I get back in the swing of things. But I'll do some cooking videos, and then I'll do the what's on sales and any updates and things that we have. And probably the next few days or so, I will update my business page. It's facebook.com/TW Patty Dooley. And then I will get that updated with December sales and try to get back in the swing of things again. So that's pretty much why I haven't been able to do like I wanted to do, because life has a way of happening, and sometimes you just have to go with it and then ask God to lead you through all of that, and He did, and we're good. So praise God. I'm gonna go with that. But be looking forward to 2022 when I can spend time with you again, get on here and answer questions, and show you all the stuff that Tupperware has going on. They're still there, still going, still working, and I'm still with Tupperware. So until we see each other again, starting in January, I pray you have a blessed Christmas and a safe and happy New Year's, and I will see you soon. Bye.